I have a habit of taking these apart, taking my O-Lube and preconditioning my elastomer. That does two things. One, it makes sure that it's a good sealing surface when I put it together. It also lubricates it so that it slides on the shaft sleeve when I'm putting it together, and it'll end up giving you a little bit longer life with that elastomer, which over a period of time is going to become brittle from off-gassing, just like all rubber does. And then instead of it stretching as that seal face wears down, it's going to end up cracking and causing you a seal leak. So I'm going to reassemble it back inside the cage. Put just a little bit of the O-Lube on that face. And this is an important step, because if you don't do this, these carbon elements will have a tendency to fall out of their place. But by putting the O-Lube on the inside, now it stays put. And because most of the time when you're installing a seal, you're doing it so that the seal is actually upside down with the carbon facing down, gravity has a tendency to want to pull it apart. And you'll find out that it's pulled apart once you've reassembled it. Put your pump back into service with water on it and it starts leaking. So it's best to catch it now.